Hi again, little explorer. I'm Kip the Koala. Welcome back to our ABC adventure. Today, we're learning letters K to O. Let's swing into it. Let's say K. K is for koala. Koalas love to cuddle and nap high up in the trees. Koala-tastic work. Let's say L. L is for lion. Lions are strong and roar loudly across the jungle. Lovely job. Let's say M. M is for monkey. Monkeys swing and play high in the jungle trees. Magnificent. Let's say N. N is for nest. Birds build cozy nests to keep their babies safe. Nice going. Let's say O. O is for octopus. Octopuses wiggle and squish through the water. Outstanding. You did it. You learned letters K, L, M, N, and O. Give yourself a big jungle cheer and a wiggly dance. Next time, we'll explore even more amazing letters. Bye-bye for now. From Kip the Koala.